Take a look what you've done. Cause baby, now we got bad blood. Hey, now we got problems. And I don't think we can solve them. You made a really deep cut. And baby, now we got bad blood.
Hey everybody. Pro Trader Mike, Mojo Day Trading Room video recap for the day trading room for the day. Got cut out on the last one because I kind of switched between accounts. So this is strictly for the day trading room. We're cranking it right now on Nugget. New high, 63. Okay, boom. Let me show you what we've done here in the day trading room. For the day, Allen 3,763, Brad 150, Grant 1118, Jones 400, all this money everyone's making. Let me show you how to trade that money, where it came from. See this OHRP right here? Look at what it did this morning. So I was mentioning in my other video, they have these other rooms that you can go to besides Mojo and trade with them. You know, you only have 20 days. You can only trade with one room, one guy to follow. If you don't play good golf with him, after a couple rounds, switch, go play golf with someone else. I'm a good caddy. Let me show you how I work. See, a lot of caddies, when they pick stocks for you and pick your clubs, they only tell you how to hit the ball. They don't tell you how to putt and read the green. I tell you how to do everything. So what happens is, other rooms, they go like this. OHRP. Here's the other room. They go. I wanted to put this in the other video, but it got cut out, so I have to redo it. They go, I pick it like this. Buy at the open at 275 with a 20-cent stop. If it doesn't hit that stop, let it ride. You're the best. And then the stock goes to 370. It's up 1 point. They say, I am the best trader. Look how good my room is. I gave you that stock at 275, and look, it went up $1. I'm a hero. Well, can that be done? And I took a poll. 18 people actually thought that can be done. 7 people did not. These people were my pros. These people are the mantra of the 9 out of 10 people that lose in trading. Let me show you why. OHRP, see it this morning right here? It opened, so they call it out like I did. We bought it up through 3. So the first one right here, you put in 10,000 shares. You don't hit the top. You don't hit the bottom. Let's say you owned it at 97, right in that first 1 minute bar. All of a sudden, the stock drops, and then it drops again to 274. Do you stay in it? Probably, but then when it goes back up here, you get out of it. Here's what happens. So I call it a Monday morning quarterback. You have 10,000 shares at 297. It goes to 274. You're down $2,300 in less than 3 minutes. What happens is you start praying. You're like, oh my gosh, what a damn mistake I made. If it goes down more, I'm completely wiped out, and fear and panic sets in. And then you say, in the world of forgiveness, if it comes back up, I'm going to get out so fast, that's going to make my head spin. The greedy ones mess it up again. And now you get out even back at 297, and the stock runs in your face and it goes to 375. That's what really happens in the trading world. So I redid the poll and I asked them, the traders that said that, is that what really happens to you? And everything changed to 87% yes, and little bit said no. So that's what really happens to you. Let me show you. So OHRP, you're in right here, and now you're down 2,300 right here, and the stock comes back and you get out. You didn't make anything. And then it runs up again, and you're like, oh, I'm going to do it again. You buy right here, and you lose another $1,000 right here. So here you lost 2,300. If you got stopped out, here you lost 1,000. You're down $3 grand. The stock runs up again. You think it's euphoria. You get stopped out again here for another grand. And then finally it runs up again, and then you get really destroyed right here. And that's what goes on with OHRP on and on and on throughout the day. Right now we're in OHRP for what's called a green giant trade play for later this afternoon. We're expecting a move to 325. Right now it's at 316, 317. This is probably going to be the move that we've been waiting for. Or if our green giant trade play. And for the people that don't know that, the signal was right here. I'm teaching it as a new trade play in Mojo University. It's after we bang the open and we bang it again and hit the second tap. It's the later trade that makes it go higher or lower throughout the day. It's working really nice. And that's really what goes on with that. As a perfect example, let me show you IMGN. IMGN this morning, we traded right here. And here, where do you get in? Where do you get out? What do you do? Can you ride it from here to here? Is that realistic? When do you take a profit? We bought it right here at $14.90. We sold it right here in this box at 15 because it did nothing and it did this red bar. And here's where it made a morning run up right here. So you look at it for the first time, you're like, wow, this thing's up a lot. It could get really crushed. I better be careful. There's a lot of risk here. It could go down. I could lose money more quickly than I can make money at this particular junction. So every 5 minutes, the stock doesn't do anything. The odds go down that it doesn't work. So I just got out and took a small profit. Even though the stock went higher after this and made a big deal of money, I didn't pay for any of that money. It's not something that you deserve. It's called Monday morning quarterback. I could have made money there. You look at the end of the day, you're like, wow, I really could have made money. But hey, Mojo doesn't catch the bottom. I'm not going to catch that top, but I'm going to make money in between right here. I do it 3 to 4 times a day. I'm done for the day. I come back at 1 o'clock after lunch. I can't believe people are still trading this IMGN or UVXY or Nugget or OHRP, which we're in right now. We're in that one. I like that one. And Nugget right now is 670. So I'm going to sell a little bit more Nugget right here into this monster run. And then we'll call it nice with Nugget. I should be on the ask selling right now. For the Nugget, you should be on the ask selling now for the option, and you should be getting flat on the Nugget for the day. Is enough right here at 770 plus. Okay, so that is just a super job for the day on the swing. Still holding it, amazing job, and that's Pro Trader Mike showing you how the Mojo Room operates and how to really buy and sell a stock. And if you do that every day and you follow and you grow your account like this, $250, $118, $400, $1,300. He comes back tomorrow, he has $13,000 in buying power. And or if he's in a larger account, his account went from 30 to 31,000, he's got an extra 5,000 in buying power. Either way, you got 13 or 5, you're looking really great to buy more shares when you get to the next level and grow your account. And that's what Pro Trader Mike's doing and teaching. Mojo University first class is tomorrow night. Have a record number of students, over 35 that are going to be in this class, 30 that are returning from the last class, 30 that are returning from the class before that. There may be over 100 students in Tuesday night's class, and that's the growth and spectacularness of Mojo Day Trading. Peace. Pro Trader Mike signing off.
I was thinking that you could be trusted. Did you have to ruin what was shiny? Now it's all rusted.